Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a Craft design team package. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, this thing is much smaller than I thought it was gonna be. Like the way Hannah shows stuff and the minute she makes it 3D, like this is the size of my pointer finger from my thumb. This is the kitchen jar album, and you can make it a shaker with this part. Here's the lid, make like the album or even like a box and stuff. So super cute. Next is the cookie cutter. This is two themes. The first one is baking. So that's what we're going over. You guys, these are the Christmas shaped cookie cutters. So you get the ornament, the gingerbread, and the candy cane. These all cut out the cookie cutters, and then here's the actual shapes, and they do have a nice double like stitch. And then here's the dough that you can cut your little cookie out of. So fun, love that. Next is this one, super cute. This is a little pumpkin pie shaker, but obviously it's a pie. You can make it any style of pie. It comes with the little whip frosting on the top. So cute, whipped cream, I should say. Super excited for this one because I've been going on my card making kit. So this is like a little swirl rectangle A2, almost like the piping on like gingerbread. So you get 3 different sizes, love that. Next, kind of like a fall theme. So it's fall and then baking. So these are mushrooms, shaker mushrooms. So this part you would see the little shaker part. Then here's the part you would cut out and acetate. So super cute. Next is this one. This is for all the fall vibes, even Halloween. You can make like a cute like poisonous jug, but this is an apple cider shaker. So here's your shaker part, apple cider. I love the font. Here's your little cup of cider. You get the cork layering part, super cute. Next is this one. And this is a super cute little, where's this part? Okay. Little scarecrow. You can see the shape of it right here. The layering parts, the little hay for the hands, the hat, the top of the hat. Very cute. Little scarecrow guy. Next, these are some fall sentiments. There's a lot of them. Okay, these are phrases. Oh, see. So you get grateful, fall in love, get it? This one says pumpkin patch, happy harvest, apple cider, sweater weather. So super cute, bubbly font. I like that. Next is the layering like fall tree. So you get your like main little tree, you can layer that up multiple times in different shades of brown, and then you got your leaves, 2 different styles of leaves. So this is like a maple leaf and then regular leaf. Next is it's like a leaf banner, and this is for the add-on for the hutch. So you can make a Thanksgiving hutch. Here is your turkey. So you would cut this part, it's like a frame. You would cut that in like a dark brown over the base of your turkey, which is right here. It is so cute. Hannah made a really cute example. Just layering, here's like a turkey plate, here's a pie, a cloche, a pumpkin, very cute. Next is a beaded pen holder. So basically it's just a little box. You can see the gusset right here. It's probably 1/4 of an inch wide. Or actually, no, that's a 1/2 inch. So you could do 1/2 inch beads on these guys. And then here's the front decorating parts. On with the baking, you guys. Oh, look at this. It is a giant pumpkin pie shaker. So it has the words pumpkin and pie. It has a cute little leaf, a little pumpkin, the top whipped cream, a fork, a spoon. You do decorate the different pages. Here's a little tag part. The crust has like embossing detail in it. Next, we have the hot cocoa add-on. Oh, you know what? I think this is for one of the boxes didn't have like a back piece. So it's sweetness, what does that say, syrup? Oh, sugar, milk, hot, and then chocolate. The hot cocoa box thingy that people were, I know you can put mugs and stuff in it, so super cute. Next is the apron desk menu. So this is kind of like a little, those calendars that like flip open. So here, you can see right here, you can put little giant jump rings or hooks and stuff. So it's an apron that, you know, just props up like this. T-style or A-frame, I should say. Here's the boxes, there's scallop detailing. Here's the little notes, like a restaurant. So super cute. That one's fun. Next is a piping bag, but a box. Kind of looks like a carrot. So here's the triangles, and you cut this out twice to make your little, like I said, it's shaped like a piping bag, but geometric. And then here is the style of the lid that goes on. So that's cute. This is a mixer mini album. So this is giant, like the whole span of your hand open up. So you get 3 layering parts. The mixer bowl goes right here, and it does come with a piece to make it the shaker. I know in the past it didn't come with this acetate piece. So here's all the layering parts. And it comes with flowers as well. There's that guy. Next is this one, super fun, gingerbread recipe. So it's got a little recipe card, the little gingerbread shape. And then you can stamp on here serves, time, ingredients, and then directions as well. So you could do it front and back or multiple gingerbread for one and then label it like page 1, page 2, page 3. That'd be super cute. And then we have this one is the Christmas house pocket. So this is a like loaded tag and it comes in 3 tiers. So here's your main piece, the shape of the house. Here's the roof line. You get Christmas lights, you get a wreath, a little slot if you want to make a gift card on the inside. You got some faux snow stitched, and this goes like this. So here's your back piece. Here's the middle piece. So it comes to, you know, A-frame roof. And then here's the front little pocket right here. And it's kind of a leaning pocket. See how it's only 1/2 inch right here? But then right here, it's thicker because it comes out like a fan, just like the coffin shaped one of this. So super, super cute. Okay, and then next we have a 3D house gift box. And this thing is big and it's cool. Yeah, you can't even tell what this is. I'm just showing you frames. Basically, it makes a box and this lid flaps open on top of the box. So it is a nice, decent sized box. Hannah made a good example. Make sure you guys are following her. I'm so excited to get playing with these, even though I want to be full-blown Halloween mode, but I am design team life, so I'm gonna have to make some of these examples in the meantime and, you know, tinker back and forth between Christmas and Halloween. All right, bye guys, catch you on the next video.